Watch for the hens first. They'll bust you long before the gobbler ever does. This is your spring training tip of the day. Watch for approaching hens and not just the gobbler. Hens often arrive before the gobbler and can easily bust you. Spotting them early allows you to freeze and avoid detection. Observing hen behavior also reveals how the gobbler will approach. Where the hens go, the tom usually follows. Scan constantly for subtle movement and color changes. If you see a hen, lock in and prepare. Her presence often means the gobbler isn't far behind. Spot them early or it's over.